Hello guys, in this video we are going to explain how the range bar strategy is used by our trader. So once you have logged in to your account, you scroll down and select range bar strategy. Most of the explanation of each indicator is given here in this section. The trader also details how he decides when to buy with an example, and how he decides when to sell with another example. If a trader has decided to add anything new to the strategy, he will update that information on this page. We accept the terms and conditions and click on Access Classroom, and we can see the strategy live right on our desktop. So as you can see, everything which is explained in detail here is now being shown to your monitor. Now we'll go into detail as to how in live session a trader decides to use this strategy. Today is June 29th, a Monday, and we will show you how or when this strategy would have given a buy signal for our trader. We all know that market opened with a gap right here. After the Asian session was underway, a buy signal was given right here. How is this a good buy and not a good buy? This bottom indicator actually is the perfect indicator which will keep you out of all the bad trades. Once this arrow comes up, our trader decides to put a pending buy right at this place. His order is triggered and the price goes up. He may not have taken this first alert, but he will definitely take this one right here. His pending entry would be in this area. He would take profit somewhere here. As you can see, this is already 20 pips. And the reason for him to take a quick exit would be the stochastic. Now yes, I understand these two indicators are also red, so depending on his comfort level, he might enter a little bit higher, or he might decide just to skip this because the stochastic is very high. He will get a re-entry right here. This seems to be a better entry. The price has already moved higher, has come back in these green bands. Everything is aqua, everything is green. He might wait for this last indicator here to turn green. He will place a pending buy on top of this number, and what do you know, it goes exactly to the next Fibonacci, which is right here. Here you can see he makes approximately 40 pips in this trade. He gets another chance to enter a buy right here. Stochastic comes down, goes back up. Everything is turned green. He gets another entry right there, and he can make another 20 pips. This is a great strategy, not available anywhere else in the market. It's a very secret tool for him to trade against the forex markets. The trader is very patient. He waits for the price to pull back into the bands right here and patiently watches these moving averages. Yellow, aqua, price touches them, bounces out. He waits for all the indicators to align, places a pending order buy above it, price shoots up. Fibonacci levels are his exit points right here. He would move break even on his order between 10 pips, 79, 93, so approximately here is where he moves his order to break even and lets it run. Again, there is more chances to take the trade. He will be cautious because the indicators below are not giving him a good indication to buy. Even though the price has moved up today, he will skip these entries. These bands and this indicator in the bottom actually tell him that this is the time to buy, not to sell. So he will ignore all the sell entries. Price keeps moving higher. If you are an aggressive trader, you can take all of these buy entries, and you can see price kept moving up the whole day. Now today here, once this buy has come up, in this area he is going to put a pending order above this guy, which will get clicked here, and price has moved up to this round number level, so there is another 15 pips easy. Any of these buy entries today would be profitable. Right here, again, right here. All you have to do is put a pending buy on top of these levels, wait for the market to click your order and give you a decent profit. So this is how trader uses our strategy. This strategy is available to you right here under your account live. Now let's go and check a sell which might have formed on the strategy. May not have formed, but let's check it out. Let's see. There we go, right there. So here he sees everything is short, bands are red, aqua, magenta, histogram. He will place a pending short below this level, and his take profit would be easy 20 pips right there. There is another short in between here, but this signal in the bottom is the early alert telling him shorts have run out, don't enter again, if you're in a short, get out. So he'll take his profit, and as we can see, price actually moved higher after that. So that's an example of a short. Let's see if there is any other example of short. There we go. This is the place for a short. This happened on Friday, June 26th. Bands were red, everything aligned in the bottom. We'll place a pending short somewhere in this area, and he will take it out at this round number. That's another 26 pips. This is one entry, and this break of low is another entry. I hope this video is clear. This is how to use this range bar strategy of ForexRoom.com. Not available anywhere else. This is the only place you can get it. We hope to see you in one of our rooms. Thank you.